Hi dear viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to bypass Google Family Link, Google Parental controls from your REALME GT 2 Pro device. So at the first, open Settings, then choose Google and click Manage your Google account. Click Get Started, then choose Data and Privacy. Scroll down and choose delete your Google account. Now confirm your password. Now we will delete our Google account, but not afraid, we will recover it later. We have 40 days for it. So enter password, click next, scroll down, click I understand, scroll down, click yes, and choose delete account. Cool, now open your apps menu, and as you can see all my applications are unlocking now in this moment, and wait until all apps will be unlocked. So that's all. Now just open Play Store, click sign in, enter your email, click next, and you'll see this message. This account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click next to attempt to restore this account. So just click next, enter a password to confirm. Then click next, and you will see message about something went wrong. So you need to enter your email and password again. So log in again and enter password. And cool, now click next, wait a while, click agree, accept Google services terms, and cool! Google account is working, Google Family Link it's not working, we can delete it from our device. So find parental controls, tap and hold on it and click uninstall, wait a while, and cool, Family Link was successfully bypassed. So that's all, thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.